In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default product in Shopify. This is a useful update when you want your storefront to highlight a different item, like a new release or a top seller. The change we are making happens inside your theme customizer, so it affects what customers see on the front end, without changing your actual products or inventory. Start by going to your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, open Online Store, then select Themes. Here you will see your current theme. Look for the button that says Customize, and click it. This opens the theme editor, where you can control the layout and content of your homepage and other theme sections. Once you are in the editor, focus on the left sidebar. This is where your page sections are listed. Scroll until you find the section labeled Featured Product. Click on Featured Product so its settings become active. This is important because the right side panel only shows options for the section you have selected. Now move your attention to the Settings panel on the right. Under the Product heading, you will see the product that is currently set to display in this featured area. To switch it, click Change. If you prefer to clear the selection first, you can click Remove instead, then choose a new product afterward. Either option gets you to the same place, selecting the item you want to feature. When the product picker opens, select the new product you want to display, such as the item you want to promote most right now. Make sure you choose the correct product listing, especially if you have similar names or multiple versions. After you have selected the new product, look for the Save button and click Save. This final step is important because leaving the editor without saving can cause your changes to be lost. Once saved, your featured product section will now display the new selection on your storefront based on your theme layout, and that covers everything you need to know.